This is Erin Samarasinha. I'm the Grants Officer at Delaware Humanities. Today, I'll be providing a brief overview of the new grants that we are offering, which we're calling Recover and Renew. For the agenda, we have an intro to Delaware Humanities. We'll define the humanities fields and look at public humanities work that we do. There will be general information on the American Rescue Plan Act, ARPA, and then we'll go into the two new types of grants that we are offering, Recover and Renew. We recently unveiled our new mission statement, and here it is. Delaware Humanities strengthens our communities by encouraging all Delawareans to be inspired, informed, and engaged through exploring the diversity of the human experience. What you see here are a sampling of the fields or disciplines that are considered the humanities. They are wide-ranging in scope. Where does your organization fit? Public humanities work can take many shapes. At Delaware Humanities, we provide our own council-conducted programming, as well as offering regrants. I encourage you to look at our website to further explore what Delaware Humanities offers. The subject of this presentation, though, are the special grants being offered, the Recover and Renew grants. They are made possible through the American Rescue Plan Act and the National Endowment for the Humanities. Some bullet points here will give you details on the American Rescue Plan Act. And there's a link to the NEH's page for more. The basic points with Recover and Renew grants: a total of $20,000 may be requested for either type. However, your organization cannot apply for both types. You must choose the one that your organization is eligible for. Recover and Renew grants are specifically to help Delaware organizations to prevent, prepare for, respond to, and/or recover from the coronavirus, COVID-19. It is crucial that applicants for both grant types demonstrate how the funds will do that in the application. Recover grant support is for Delaware organizations with a humanities-based mission to receive general operating support. Some basic information for Recover grants here is listed in the bullet points. Note, it is not comprehensive, so we encourage applicants to download the grant guidelines and frequently asked questions document, which is on our website. The NEH has laid out the requirements for ARP support, and we have included them in that document. The second form of grant support is for humanities programming or activities. This marks a difference from last year's CARES Act support, which was just for general operating support. I will provide some examples of the types of humanities programming or activity support in a later slide. As with Recover support, you must demonstrate in the application how your humanities programming or activity will help your organization to prevent, prepare for, respond to, and/or recover from the coronavirus, COVID-19. More details about Renew grants. These are for organizations that cannot apply for Recover support because they do not have a humanities-centered mission. Yet, they do provide humanities programming. These are the organizations that we encourage to apply for Renew support. A few details are here in the bullet points. Regarding the costs that can be covered with Renew, you'll see in the bullet points just what is covered. As with our Opportunity and Vision grants, if you have an idea for a specific humanities program or activity, but you're unsure if it qualifies, please contact me and I will be happy to help. Here are some of the ineligible costs for both types of grants. Note, this comes from the NEH, and once again, the full list is in our grant guidelines, our frequently asked questions document. The items that are listed here should be familiar to those of you who are repeat grantees, as these are also ineligible costs for our other grants. November 19th is the official closing date that we have set in the online grant system founded. However, the amount of funds that we have to disperse is set, and we may be able to award all Recover and Renew grants well before that date. As such, we encourage eligible organizations to apply early. In the case of Renew grants, as they are for specific humanities activities and/or programming, they must begin on or before December 1st of this year, 2021. Finally, if you have specific questions about Recover and Renew grants, I encourage you to reach out to me via email. Finally, I must stress that every applicant for Recover or Renew support should download their own copy of our frequently asked questions and grant guidelines on our website for their own reference. This presentation was meant to provide an overview, but is not exhaustive by any means. Thank you for viewing, and I hope that this presentation was helpful to you.